Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the past week's result for the GS Bitcoin robot. If you don't remember this, please go see the first video. We've got the English translation in that first video. Essentially, it is a Bitcoin trading robot that you can run on MT4 that's offered by a Russian vendor, trader21.ru. We initially set it up on a Forex demo account and we've been running it for a week now. So let's go take a look at the results. Okay, so we've got the account up here. Remember, it is trading Bitcoin only, so BTC USD, therefore it runs 24/7. There's no downtime on this particular robot. We got it running on the COT demo account. Now, if you remember from the first video, the vendor actually gives you a setup tutorial or PDF with three different essentially settings where you can run safe settings, sort of more medium risk, and then the high risk settings. And then from the safe settings, which is what we are running, you had the option to run either, only take sells or only take buys. We decided to run both. So just the standard preset that comes with the robot where it takes buys and sells, we dropped it onto the chart and we haven't done anything else since then. So let's take a look at what we've, been able to get so far. So going into the week, let's actually just jump to the account history quickly. Okay, so we've been running this robot basically since the 19th, so almost a week. We've currently sitting on $21 of profit, so that's about a week's worth of trading, and you can see the majority of that was from buys. So we've actually made more money from the long positions versus the only single sell position that we had there that brought us in 92 cents. Remember, this is the set standard preset trading file that the vendor gives us on the safe settings. I haven't fiddled with anything, I haven't changed anything. We've only got 2 trades that have hit the take profit. The other ones have followed sort of a trailing stop loss. So $21 for the week, and going into the week we currently have 3 trades, 2 sells and 1 buy that is sitting with a drawdown of 41%. Sorry, $41, not 41%. So overall equity is sitting at $979. At the moment, nothing much to report with this particular robot. It's a bit early in time to say whether it's worthwhile, long term. The one thing that I am worried about this robot is obviously with Bitcoin's volatility, when it starts pushing up and out of these sort of channels that were predefined by the TMA. I worry that we're going to have a lot of drawdown, or we're going to have a lot of sort of martingale or grid positions that will be taken to cover that. So let's leave it for a couple of months, see how it's going. But if we had to just compare this robot, Bitcoin trading robot making $20 a week or the past week versus, let's say, the swing VIP, which we've been looking at, that's made $40 on the same $1,000 account in the last week, we're essentially getting double the volume or double the profit in the VIP robot, although taking into account that it's also double the drawdown that's going on in that robot versus this Bitcoin robot. So at the moment, the Bitcoin robot, very low drawdown, very safe for what it is, and then obviously with that your profit is not as much, so your risk to reward ratios, you need to see what works for you. But at the moment, like we said, we wanted to test something that's a bit different from the Forex pairs, something that's different from the gold trading robots, and this is what we came up with. So we're going to leave this running for another couple of weeks, maybe a few months, see what sort of result it is. But at the end of that, we will probably be looking at either then going to the swing VIP robot live, if that's more profitable than the GS robot. So stick around and let's see what happens at the end of the month. Thanks.